Hey guys, this is India Trading Academy. Welcome to the weekly update of Nifty. And before we begin, I want to share some news with you guys. Guys, our trading room has been started for everybody. Now you can check the information on the website, on the trading room page itself. Now this is starting on this Monday. So whoever is interested directly joining in the trading room can join us anytime they want now. Now the second important news I would like to discuss that we are planning to have a webinar on this 18th February 2018 at 4 p.m. and that is Sunday. So in this webinar actually we would be sharing some basic concept of the market, basic concept of the structure and the behavior of the market, and you can ask the question based on the problems and the difficulties you are having in the market. This is going to be some fun informative webinar. So if you are interested to join that, just come over the website, which is indiatradingacademy.com, and sign up this form. So anybody will get back to you and will provide you enough details so you can be online that time. Now keep in mind this is an online event, okay? So you don't need to come anywhere. You can join it from your places. The only thing you require for this is an internet connection and your computer. Now the last thing I would like to discuss about our live trading videos. Now these are the videos from our live trades which we are posting over YouTube. Now the only reason we are posting these videos on YouTube, not to because we are showing off that how much profits we are making, what kind of trades we are executing. The only reason we are posting this is actually to showcase the thing we do, whatever we preach in our trading room. So once you are enrolled in the course, so what kind of trading style you would be learning. So what happens most of the time, people are actually paying for some course and they promise them to teach them the structure and the behavior of the market, and once they enroll and once they finish the course, they end up getting some Heikin-Ashi and stochastic indicator combined strategy. So the only reason we are showing this is actually to show you guys that these kind of trades are possible. We are taking those on an everyday basis. If you understand the market behavior, these are the possibilities in the market. Okay, so these are not a show off, these are just information to give you. Let's move to the Nifty weekly analysis. So जो weekly analysis है हमारा इस week का, वो थोड़ा सा critical है. Now why am I saying it? You need to understand that. Remember last week I said these line has no value. Okay, I have no idea how many people have bought it on 382 golden ratio and 618 golden ratio, and for us actually that's not even a golden ratio, that's just a line. We use each and every single line for a reason, for a rule. We have very specified rules for that. All right, so don't worry about that, just ignore that fib. जो reason मैंने वहां पे लगाया है, I just need to see something and that's why it's there. Okay, but the thing I want to discuss, ये जो pattern हमें यहाँ पर दिख रहा है, now that could be a reversal pattern. Now I have very specific 4 conditions to call it a reversal pattern. Okay, now 3 out of 4 have been completed in the market, so only 4th condition बचा हुआ है. Now once that condition I see over there and that condition is met, we can declare it as a reversal pattern. उस condition में क्या होगा, we might see a monthly or weekly correction on Nifty, just like 2015 or something. Okay, so थोड़े time के लिए डाउन ट्रेंड हम स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, शॉर्ट टर्म करेक्शन फॉर अ मंथली और वीकली चार्ट, बट अभी उसके लिए हमें थोड़ा सा टाइम देना पड़ेगा. यहाँ पे एक पैटर्न डेवलप होगा एंड बेस्ड ऑन दैट वी विल रीएनालाइज इट, एंड अगर वो चारों कंडीशन मेट होती हैं तो we can declare it as a reversal pattern and we might look for more shorting opportunities, and that will take some time, I think a week or 2. So maybe that time we will be discussing that thing again. So इस week के लिए हमारी strategy क्या होगी? Actually right now I'm looking for this move. I cannot go in details of that. This is the move I'm looking for, and if that has been executed मुझे 1 hour पे जाना पड़ेगा, and I have enough condition here to look that move. Okay, उसके लिए मुझे यहाँ पे एक पैटर्न चाहिए, almost that is information. जैसे ही मुझे confirmation मिलेगा, I'm looking for this move and we will be executing this trade. So that's our view on Nifty for this week, and if you have some strategy and if that move is coming, take advantage of that. Okay, just like just like we have managed to get 500 points out of the market this week. So that is a dream for most of the people actually. So I don't want you to dream that. So if that move is coming, you should have some strategy so you can be in it, and that kind of trading style is very much possible. So that's the view on Nifty for this week. And let me promote the courses. Guys, if you are looking for the best trading course in the industry which teach you everything you are supposed to know in terms of trading or investing, then these are the destination for you. This is the only course we have. You can choose to do that in one-on-one, or you can choose to do that course in group session. Syllabus is the same. Both courses are online. Each and every single detail is available on indiatradingacademy.com. So this is India Trading Academy signing off. Thank you so much.